Kiddo, so we're just gonna go over your quiz for contracts. Want to make sure if there's any questions, please feel free, even though we are videotaping, ask a question, okay? So, and I'm gonna ask you, I expect you to participate. So we want to know the name, the domain, and the range of the function. We want to know, and I want to know how you know. So it's not just good enough. Some of you got 3s because you didn't include the how you know, okay? Or you missed up on one part. So your scores are reflective. You got a score out of 4 here, a score out of 4 here, and a score out of 4 here. And then it was your average for the grand total on that. So that's why some of you got 3.4s or 3.7s, okay? So, name, who can tell me? What's the name? What's the name?
Circle.
How do you know?
Because it says it up on the evaluation block.
Everybody see that? Every image function has a name. Right on the block, the name of this is circle. Be okay with that? Any questions? Okay, so those of you that need to do a retake, that's what you need. If you got the name part wrong, that's what needs to be said on there. Okay? And then once you're done with that, then we can actually do the retake. Domain. Who can help me with the domain? Josh.
Domain is number, string, string.
Number, string, string. How do you know?
Well, I know this because of the colors. Blue has to be number and teal has to be string.
Okay, so number, string, string. That's one way. There's an even better way to know. Yeah.
Because you know that the radius has to be a number, but style and color can.
Okay. Here's the best way, and this is how I call it 2 for 1. Okay. We know that we need a number for the radius. We need a string for the
Style.
and we need a string for the
Color.
They're always listed in order. I know for a fact that there's 3 domains, 3 inputs that we have to put in. Something for radius, something for style, something for color. Then underneath these blocks, they're actually colored the way that you're supposed to. I can't put a string in here because what color's underneath here? Blue. So it's a number for radius. It's a string for style and a string for color. Everybody okay? That's probably the hardest one of them all. And to be honest with you, if you know that part, that's what's going to help you when we start creating our own functions. You need to know domain. Those of you that are in lesson 8, if you don't understand domain and you don't understand contracts, you can't possibly create your own function. Okay? Then the final part, the range. How do you know?
You can tell by the color and you can tell that a circle is an image.
You know, someone wrote that, and that was the hardest one for me because a circle is an image. Yeah, but the easiest way for us to know is by the color of the block, the color of the function. If this were a smartboard and I tap on image, what color would all of those images be?
Purple.
Purple.
Every image is purple, therefore its output is going to be an image. Okay? Okay? So, we're good on that.